So looking closer at the needles and the buds of Douglas-fir, the needles come to a point at the end, not sharp like spruce, but distinctly pointed, and pointed red buds. And they form sort of a pseudo whorl at the end of the branch. So it's not quite a true whorl, but there's a cluster of the pointy red buds at the tip of the branch there. You can see the white lines of stomata, which are openings in the leaves for gas exchange to allow CO2 to come in and oxygen and water to escape for photosynthesis. We'll talk about that a bit later in class. Really important on these young Douglas-fir to pay attention to the pointy needles and pointy buds, because, like I pointed out, the bark is so similar to subalpine fir. So it's quite common that people get these two species mixed up when they're young. So Douglas-fir have pointy needles, pointy buds. Subalpine fir have blunt or notched needles and rounded buds. Another important thing, if you're looking at the bark on this young individual, is to get down lower on the oldest bark of the specimen or the individual tree, and you can see it's starting to split and furrow like a mature tree in that older bark. And then there's a lot of variation, like this individual is a lot rougher even on near the top on the younger stems, but you can really see that splitting starting to happen down lower.